My truck is all scratched up from off-roading. Got pinstriping from overgrown trails. Some of these are really deep. I'm gonna get it professionally fixed. Hopefully they could clay it, use some cutting compound, polish it, try to get rid of most of it, but some of it is probably too deep. It's hard to tell with the lighting. This side, see all the pinstriping. And if the shop can remove, I don't know, 80% of it, I'll be happier. But right now it's pretty bad. Definitely regret going to that trail in Ukiah because it was really overgrown. The plastic I'm not worried about, but the body, definitely not happy with all the scratches. Just got my truck back from the professional detailer, and 90 to 95% of these scratches are gone. So they did a full clay, cut, polish, wax, and I'm really happy with the results. So you saw the video with the before scratches, and now this is the after. So it looks like a brand new truck again. They even cleaned the wheels and shined the fender liners. They cleaned inside the truck as well. So I'm really happy with the results. The truck looks brand new again.